Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to see how much money is spent on Steam games.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To see how much money you've spent on Steam games, you can follow these steps. Firstly, launch the Steam client on your PC. In the top left corner of the Steam client, click on your username or avatar to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Account Details. In the Account Details page, scroll down to the Store and Purchase History section. Click on View Purchase History to access your purchase history. In the Purchase History section, you'll see a list of your Steam transactions, including purchases of games, DLCs, in-game items, and wallet funds. You can see the date, time, and amount spent for each transaction. To calculate the total amount you've spent on Steam games, you'll need to manually add up the amounts from all of your transactions listed in the purchase history. You can use a calculator or spreadsheet to make the process easier.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.